enjoyed politics. It was not easy balancing all of these different things. The LDC was even more complicated because what this is parliament, had to attend class, family, and so on. There's normally a lot of things. But I thank God really it's God that able to balance all of these and to make it. It's not easy because some of my friends who are not able to make it for one reason or another. It's just because I'm brilliant or any after that. And I really thank God that He enabled me to work as hard as I possibly could to be able to strike a balance. Because balancing all of these things is not very easy, but I thank God that I'm able to. And